Hey everyone, welcome to AG Tech. I have great news for Windows users because Microsoft has officially released the Moment 5 update, so it's pretty much available to everyone now. There was a bit of confusion about whether Microsoft was going to continue with the Moment updates. We had previously the Moment 1, Moment 2, Moment 3, Moment 4 updates, and now, we officially have the Moment 5 update. So in this video, I will be showing you guys the new features that come with the update and how to install it. But before that, if you like the video, consider subscribing for more Windows content as in news, tutorials, and customizations. Why not give it a like and share? I would greatly appreciate it. This update got some great changes, so let's jump right in. You don't need to panic if you don't have access to some of these new features because they're rolling out gradually. So first things first, we have changes concerning the Digital Markets Act for the EEA. So with this, users can uninstall some of Windows core apps like Microsoft Edge, Photos, Camera, and Cortana. For example, if you go to your start menu right here, you right click on Photos, uninstall option right there. Just to let you guys know, Microsoft Edge can only be uninstalled on computers running Windows 11 in the European Economic Area, also known as the EEA, so not all of us will have this, unfortunately. The second change is that all Windows system components will have system labels under them in the start menu. For example, if we scroll down here, we will see the File Explorer. That's a system component app, and under it, there's a new system label. This will also be a new feature for other system components such as the Game Bar, Get Help, and Get Started. They will all have system labels right under them. And the last and final change is the new system components page in the settings that will show you all of the Windows system component apps. This is a pretty good feature because a user will know exactly what apps on Windows 11 are system components. The next great thing this update has to offer is being able to reinstall Windows 11 without losing any of your data. So to find that, just head over to your start menu and click the settings. Then you're going to go to System, scroll down until you find Recovery, and there it is. Now all you'll have to do is click Reinstall Now. Let's say for example you're having a problem with Windows 11 and you want to reinstall Windows but you do not want to lose any of your apps, files, or settings. You guys can use this new feature. Also in this update, if you open the widgets section, you should be able to see more customizations in the widgets section, like for example, open widgets board on hover and show or hide feeds. Let's say for example you open the show or hide feeds. There's a new setting in here, it's a toggle where you can choose to show or not show your feed. So if you have it on, it's going to show your feed in the widget section, and if you have it off, it's not going to show your feed in the widget section. Another great feature is concerning the nearby sharing settings. So inside of the nearby sharing settings, there is now an option to rename your PC. So basically, nearby sharing is being able to share files with other PCs close to you. And this new feature proves to be useful because you would want it to be easy for another user to recognize your PC if they want to share a certain file with you. So if you click the little rename button right here, you'll be able to rename it to a better name. Right down below, it tells you that the name can contain some special characters, so that's also pretty cool. This update also comes with more Snap Assist options. If you have, for example, multiple windows open, for example, I have two right here, the File Explorer and Google Chrome. If you hover to the full screen button, there are more ways that you can snap the multiple windows than before. Also in this update, Copilot got a cool change. The Copilot icon has been moved to the right corner of the taskbar. It was previously in between the search bar and the virtual desktops icon, and I think it looks better visually. I actually posted a video about that on the channel, so feel free to click the link up above to watch it for more info about the Copilot icon position change. Additionally, when logging into Windows 11 for the first time, Windows Spotlight will now be the default setting for the background. Windows Spotlight is a Windows feature that displays different background images from time to time. So maybe after getting a new PC or completely resetting the current PC you have, Windows Spotlight will now be your default background setting. I know a lot of people have been waiting for a feature where they can see how many letters have been typed inside of a Notepad. Good news is that character count has been added to the Notepad app. Here I have a random paragraph. At the bottom, you can see that it tells me I have 445 characters, or some of you might call it letters. Another cool thing is that if I highlight a part of the paragraph right here, it tells me how many characters I have highlighted. Finally, Microsoft has made upgrades to voice access where it is now possible to use it in French for France and Canada, German, and Spanish for Spain and Mexico. On top of that, it's available to use on multiple displays. Those are the new features in the Windows 11 Moment 5 update. And to get the update, all you have to do is open your Start menu, go to Settings, go to Windows Update. You want to have the get the latest updates as soon as they're available toggle on, and then all you want to do is click check for updates, and it should be available to download and install for you. Keep in mind that even if you have the updates, some new features might be missing, and that's because they're rolling out gradually. You'll eventually get them. Do you guys think Microsoft did a good job with this update? And if so, which features do you like the best? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Again, if you like this video and this type of content, consider subscribing to my channel for more Windows news, customizations, and tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.